Welcome to FoolyFun. Come on, let's play. 10. No, you need 9. I need 9.
We were able to find this advent calendar and I was so excited. But Christmas is almost over, the Christmas time. So the kids are gonna share. So we'll have 2 for one night. Hi, it's Christmas for you too. I was so excited. We got this at the Russian market. Okay kids, this
is going to be a calendar until Christmas again.
That's right, it's an advent calendar. Oh, do you care about that? Are you caring? You're really attachy today. Okay, so what you're going to do, since Christmas is almost over, you're going to open 1 for yourself, and then you're going to point to number 2 for Abigail, okay? She's gonna open the second one, and you're gonna open the first one. Okay?
But I couldn't find the first one day.
It'll say 1 on it. And the other one will say 2.
Alright.
Can you and your sister both open the package?
Alright, let's do this. You, let me do it. Let me do it.
Both of you open it. Both of you open it.
How do I open this anymore?
Yeah, open that side. Here. I thought I started it for you. Here, go ahead.
Give it. What's
Okay.
in here?
1 and 2. One.
Alright.
Let her open number 2.
This one right here. No, you shouldn't really press it like that. There you go. Now open it. No, the other way. Like this.
You gotta open the flap towards you. Yeah, there you go. You got chocolate.
Yeah, let me pick my...
Okay, get your chocolate out.
I got a heart.
Your chocolate's still in here. Get it out.
Yummy.
Yay! Did you get a heart too?
Yeah.
No, you got a 4-leaf clover. And Raphael got a heart. Oh, okay, all right.
That means Santa loves me and Santa loves Abigail a bit.
That's right. Well, yes. Santa loves you both very much.
But he never seen me before.
Yes. Hi! Hi, we're home.
You'll never stop for the camera.
Okay, guys, we are almost done with today's celebration of Christmas.
Yep. All we have
Almost.
to do is one more fun thing and another fun thing. 2 fun things left.
2 fun things left.
This is one of the fun things left.
Okay.
We're both.
Let's see. We're going to do 3 and 4 today. Can you find 3 and 4? Here.
I already know where's 3 and 4.
Hold on. One of you gets 3. Which one is that?
Abigail.
Okay, get 3, Abigail. I don't know if she can find it.
This one. This one. This one.
This one's 3. Okay. Okay, kitty, come here. Come here, kitty. Come here. Yes, it's my baby girl.
That's chocolate.
Get your chocolate.
What? Oh,
What is it? Let me see.
Tree.
Let me see.
It's a Christmas tree.
It's a Christmas tree.
Now I'm going
Yay.
to take the last
Here.
one for today.
Here, Abigail. Just got back from Jerusalem. It was a long 14-hour trip. We had lots of fun. We even took a nap there. Can it come out? What did you get? It's not coming out. It might be melted in there. Let me see. Let me see.
No, it's not melted.
Which one did you get?
4.
Oh. Here, grab it. Okay, it's poked out now. It'll come out now. What is it? Oh no. Oh no! It went under the couch, Kitty. Go get it. Kitty, get it. Oh, she got to smell where we've been.
I got
What is it? Let me see.
a bow, a ribbon.
You have a present. A present with a ribbon on it.
Yeah, presents have ribbons.
That's right.
All right, we got one more thing
Okay.
to do.
That's enough for tonight. What do we have to do?
We
Have to go to bed because it's late.
and we're going to do one more thing after
What?
eating that chocolate.
What?
We are about to play before bed.
A little bit, and then you're going to go to bed.
Yeah.
So, we have one more thing to show you. Okay, what number are you on tonight?
5, 6.
5 and 6.
Abigail, she will take 6. Yeah. Take 6 and
Likely suspect. Okay. 5.
Where is 5? Where is 5? You're
Okay.
getting 5, Abigail.
Let's get 5 then. You're getting 5, Abigail. You want 5?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here. No, don't press it with your finger. Press it with my finger? Okay. Put your finger in there, Abigail. Stick it in there. No, like this. Alright, I got... Oh,
You got it.
It's a bell!
You got a bell, Abigail.
Yeah!
Oh, it's awesome. Congratulations.
It's a chocolate!
Yeah, it's
I
great.
like it better than a bell because bell is boring. You just ring it. It's a choo-choo train!
A choo-choo train. A choo-choo train is not boring.
It's fun than a bell.
Okay,
Way more
you already
fun than
did that one. We'll do another one tomorrow, okay?
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Now what does a train look like?
Gone. We just made gingerbread houses,
So
and
we're
now
gonna do
we're doing the Advent. We're doing 7 and 8.
7. Abigail. Alright, let me look for 7. No, don't touch until I find 7.
Gotta find 7.
I found 8 for me. So
Okay.
I'm going to cover that. 8 for me. 2.
You get 7, Abigail.
I get 7. And I get 8. No, not 21. That's a bigger number than 7. Where's 7?
Right next to 8. 7, 8, 9. Careful with your chocolate milk.
Here, Abby. Get your
Hot
finger
chocolate.
in there. Get your finger in there.
Daddy made us some
Stuck
coffee.
your finger.
Did you finish your chocolate milk, Abigail?
Really good coffee.
Stick it. Let me stick it.
Good job, Abigail. Here, let her get it out. Get it out. Number 7.
Upside down, upside down, upside down.
Here, push it out on the bottom. Oh.
What did you get? I hope it's something special.
Get it, Abigail.
You got Santa.
Oh, let me see. You got a Santa?
Yeah.
Santa. Here you go.
I wanted Santa too. Let's see if I get the same thing. An 8. Yummy.
Yeah.
I want to eat the gingerbread too.
After it dries.
I got a star.
it?
Not really
Oh.
exciting.
It's a snowflake.
Oh, that's really exciting to lick.
Yes, it is. I have no idea what number we're on. What do you think we're on?
All right. Let me check the number that was last. 7, 8, 9, and 10. 9 and 10. All right. What is 9 and? There's 9. I need 9. 10. No, you need 9. I need 9. You need 9. 9th chocolate. Oh, this is one's open a bit. It's
Go ahead.
21.
No, just get 9 and 10.
You're not getting both, Abigail. Chocolate.
Which one do you want, 9 or 10?
9, 10.
You want 9 and 10?
Both. 9 and 10. Yeah. Alright, get this one. Alright, it's already open.
Raphael, you open that one, so you get that one.
Whoa, mushroom.
A mushroom. I see. It's a mushroom? Okay, Christmas mushroom. That one's yours. Oops. Abigail gets 10. Open this one. Right here. Open it. Yeah, that's pretty much.
Mushrooms aren't really much fun, Mommy.
Open it up. Mushrooms are totally fun.
What can you play with them? Can you play with them? Let me see what you got. A shoe? That's boring.
A shoe?
Boring. We can do more things with a mushroom than a shoe.
Are you sure?
Yeah. We can throw it around, play catch with it. And we can also eat it.
Okay, eat it, Abigail.
And walking
See you tomorrow.
thing for shoes.
Yep.
See you tomorrow, kids.
So mushrooms are really fun.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. We're doing 11 and 12 tomorrow. The Santa, which is 12. I'm
All
looking
right.
at Santa's face.
Doing 11 and 12. All right, Abigail, do 11.
This one. Whoa, what chocolate did you get? I get chocolate. Oh man, you need to do this a bit.
Let me see.
Alright, now it's
Da, da, da.
Is it Santa?
It's a wreath.
What's a wreath?
A wreath is like a circle of garland. A garland is like leaves and
like
plants.
you can wear.
Yeah, okay, you can wear it maybe.
On your neck.
Maybe on your head, yeah, okay.
On your neck.
All right, now Santa's face. Number 12.
Oh,
Let's see.
I got a sleigh.
Let me see. Oh my goodness. That's not just any sleigh.
Why not?
That's Santa's sleigh with presents.
Yay! I'm happiest. This is the happiest thing and the best thing I can get. Good.
Yeah.
And more stuff.
Yeah. Tomorrow. Sit down. You're going to have another chocolate. What you getting? Let's see.
We're getting Abigail 13 and I'm getting 14. Here, Abigail, do this. Dump it, dump. There, Abigail. Press it back like this. Do that. Almost. Not yet. You didn't get it yet.
Oh, she stuck her finger in that one.
I can't get it.
You couldn't get it?
My finger.
Yeah, you stuck your finger in it.
I stuck my finger in it, too. Got it.
It's not the easiest, is it? Hold on. Hers didn't come out too good. She got a stocking, but she ate it. We had to kind of take it out with a knife, and it was okay. What'd you get?
This is mine, Abigail. 11. 11.
You already ate 11. 11, 12. This is 13, 14.
Where is it? I forgot where it was. Hold on a minute. Chocolate! Chocolate! Where's the 14, Abigail? Chocolate. So? 14, 14. Where is 14 even at? I can't find 14. Wait.
Yeah, Raphael's chocolate is melted. All of the chocolate's melted. I'm not sure where the chocolate was.
15 and 16.
But all the chocolate's melted, so it's in there and it's not coming out very good. So this is going to conclude our Advent calendar at day 14.
At day 14 and 15?
Yep, that's it. So we're going to have to scoop out the chocolate with spoons.
Okay, goodbye. Goodbye. Subscribe for more videos. I hope to play with you next time. Click on my other videos to watch them. Come back for more adventures.